Hi! In front of me is HAFURY GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear next to clipboard. Then click on voice typing in keyboard settings and tap on this gray sweater next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you finished, just go back to your keyboard. Now click on now visible microphone icon. And if you never used it before, tap on allow in the pop-up. Then tap on it again. Now you can finally start typing. When you are finished, click on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!